Leverage your way to wealth. 20 powerful tips to maximize your financial potential. Welcome back to our channel Financial Freedom, where we help you unlock the secrets to financial success. Today, we're diving into the concept of leverage and how you can use it to build wealth. We'll also share 20 powerful tips to help you maximize your financial potential. So, let's get started. What is leverage? Leverage is the strategic use of borrowed resources, such as money or assets, to increase the potential return on an investment. In other words, it's about using other people's money to make more money for yourself. When used wisely, leverage can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. 20 tips on how to leverage. Now that we understand what leverage is, let's explore 20 tips on how to use it effectively to build wealth. 1. Educate yourself. Before diving into leveraging, make sure you understand the risks and rewards. Learn about different investment strategies and how leverage can be applied to each. 2. Start small. Begin with a small amount of leverage and gradually increase it as you gain experience and confidence in your investment decisions. 3. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. 4. Use low-interest debt. When borrowing money, look for low-interest loans to minimize the cost of leverage. 5. Monitor your debt-to-equity ratio. Keep an eye on your debt-to-equity ratio to ensure you're not over-leveraging yourself and putting your financial stability at risk. 6. Maintain a strong credit score. A good credit score will help you secure better loan terms and lower interest rates, making leverage more affordable. 7. Network with successful investors. Connect with experienced investors who have successfully used leverage to build wealth. Learn from their experiences and apply their strategies to your own investments. 8. Reinvest your profits. As you generate profits from your leveraged investments, reinvest them to further grow your wealth. 9. Have an exit strategy. Always have a plan for when and how you'll exit an investment, especially when using leverage. This will help you minimize losses and maximize gains. 10. Stay disciplined. Leverage can be a double-edged sword. Stay disciplined in your investment approach and avoid taking on excessive risk. 11. Set clear financial goals. Establish specific, measurable, and achievable financial goals to guide your leveraging decisions and keep you focused on your wealth-building journey. 12. Understand the tax implications. Familiarize yourself with the tax implications of using leverage, such as the deductibility of interest expenses, to maximize your after-tax returns. 13. Use leverage responsibly. Remember that leverage amplifies both gains and losses. Use it responsibly and avoid overextending yourself financially. 14. Continuously evaluate your portfolio. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Adjust your leverage strategy as needed. 15. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors, accountants, or attorneys to help you make informed decisions about leveraging and its potential impact on your financial situation. 16. Stay informed about market conditions. Keep up to date with market trends and economic indicators to make well-informed leveraging decisions. 17. Utilize margin accounts. Consider using margin accounts to borrow money for investing in stocks or other securities. This can provide additional leverage opportunities. 18. Leverage real estate investments. Real estate can be an excellent asset class for leveraging. Consider using mortgages or other financing options to invest in rental properties or fix and flip projects. 19. Use leverage in business ventures. If you're an entrepreneur, consider using leverage to grow your business by taking on debt or bringing in investors to fund expansion. 20. Practice patience and persistence. Building wealth through leverage takes time and dedication. Stay patient, persistent, and committed to your financial goals. There you have it. With these 20 tips, you'll be well equipped to use leverage effectively and responsibly to build wealth. Remember, the key is to stay disciplined, informed, and focused on your financial goals. Good luck on your wealth-building journey. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe.